My husband got the chicken tenders and the fries, so I'm gonna try a little bit of his. Similar to my fries, it's just a little bit less soggy because the fries on mine are at the bottom. Let's get a good dip here. Much more crispy like this. Get a bite of pickle. If there was a way for like the fries, the chicken, and the mac to be separated, I feel like this would be the perfect combo. But having it mixed together like this definitely makes it a little bit more soggy on the bottom, but the flavor is there. It's really delicious.